Hello everyone, here's an easy, creative, colorful activity for kids created in PowerPoint only. When we click on red button, the big circle changes its color to red, and similarly for green, blue and yellow color as well. So, can you guess how can it be done in PowerPoint? If you want to know, watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe. So, let's start our video. Now click on insert. Click on shapes and select a circular shape. Drag it there. Now in the shape format, click on shape outline and increase the width of circular shape outline. Again, shape outline, choose any color. In the shape fill, you can choose any color. I am choosing here white by default. Okay. Click on insert shapes and select here a rectangle shape. Again, copy and paste it 4 times. In the first rectangular shape, click on the shape fill and choose a color here. I am choosing red color, then green. You can choose any color as you want. Even you can increase the number of colors as well. Here we have 4 colors: red, green, blue and yellow. Now write over there the name of the colors which we have given. Now just select the color. We can change the font and the size. Just click on the home and just change the size, font, and we can change here the color as well. Same we are going to do for the rest of the 3. Just write the name of the color on the particular button and change the font and the size as you want. It's very easy. Even you can change the color as well, as I have done in yellow color. Now click on the circle, click on animation, add animation, click on fill color. Do the same procedure for 3 more times, like 4 times we are going to do the same thing. Here you can see the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now click on animation pane. In the first oval, just click the arrow shape, click on effect option, and here I am choosing the first color, that is red color. Okay. Click on OK, and now click on trigger. On click off, I am selecting here the first rectangle rounded corner. We are going to do the same thing. Now our second color is green color. Just do the same thing, effect option, select green color, OK, and trigger. Give the trigger to the second option. Now for the third, just click effect option. Our third color is blue color. Just click on the more color, select our blue color and OK. Now give the trigger to the third rounded rectangle corner. Now for the fourth color is yellow color. Just select the yellow color, click on OK and give the trigger to the fourth rounded rectangle, and our work is done. That's it. It's so easy and so simple. Now I'm going to present it again how it is work. Just click on the red. The circle will automatically change to the red color as well as green. For that, blue and yellow also. We just have to click and our circular color will change with that particular color. Thank you to watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.